Front raises are great for working the front deltoids, and if you go sideways, right, it's great for working the side deltoid, right? Side is more for a broader shoulder appearance, and if you want more of a bulky shoulder appearance, you can go with the front. Now, I don't recommend a whole lot of front movements if you're already doing shoulder pressing and bench press that day, right? You want to aim for more of the side. You don't ever want to bring the weight above your head, right? You want to squeeze it up, right? Mind to body connection, right? Squeeze, right? Up the weight with your delts and then allow the tension to bring it back down. Do not go above your head. It's a very quick way to injure yourself, which I don't want. I also don't want you guys injuring your lower backs. Make sure you don't, right? You're not swinging the weight with your lower back. You're focusing on the shoulders, right? Feet shoulder length apart. You can kind of squat down a little bit and then focus on the delts, right? Guys, squeeze up 10 to 15 reps if you want to build muscle, and about 20 reps if you're just toning down.